Good morning, future mathematics teachers, our BSE 2B mathematics majors. Today, we'll be having an orientation on our subject SEM 5 for the mathematics of investment. But before we proceed into the orientation proper, I just would like to remind all of you on the university's vision, mission, tagline, and core values. Our vision, NEUST is a locally responsive and internationally relevant and recognized university of science and technology. Our mission is to develop new knowledge and technologies and transform human resources into productive citizenry to bring about development impact to local and international communities. Our core values, nationalism, excellence, unity, spirituality, transparency. And our tagline, transforming communities through science and technology. Also, before we move on, I would like to invite you to sing the NUSD March. There you go, our NUST March. This time, let's talk about the course requirements for SEM 5. Number one, active participation in each lesson. So I will be checking your attendance if you are present during our discussion. Most of the time, we'll be using our group chat, SEM 5 DSE 2B. Number two, group sharing, discussions, and presentations. Please expect to have group activities even though we are doing it in the new normal. Quizzes, of course, assignments, midterm and final examinations, students' portfolio. You are tasked to have your portfolio for us to track or to trace whether you progress or not in this course. And please take note of the sentence below. No student shall be given special fees except for a valid reason. Our grading system would be final grade. To get your final grade, the quantity midterm plus twice the finals divided by 3. Meaning, your midterm is 1/3 of your final grade and your finals is 2/3 of your final grade. Then we get the average of that. The criteria for grading is based on the guidelines made by the College of Education for Flexible Learning 2020. Term exam, 20%, quizzes, 20%, outputs and performance tasks, 60% for a total of 100%. Our class schedule for SEM 5 or Mathematics of Investment will be every Tuesday and Thursday from 10:30 in the morning till 12 noon. Our weekly schedule for week 1 will have the course orientation. Actually, that's what I am doing right now, what we are doing right now, and the distribution of syllabus. Week 2 is the discussion for day 1 and output making for the day 2. And then for week 3, discussion of unit 2 for day 1 and the submission of requirements for the day 2. And then at week 4, we'll be having a long quiz for units 1 and 2. In the 5th week, we'll discuss Unit 3 in the first day and submission of requirements and output making on the second day of the week. For week number 6, we'll be having a long quiz for Unit 3. And then for week number 7, we'll be having a discussion of Unit 4, Part 1 on day 1 and the submission of requirements and output making on the second day of the week. For week 8, we'll be having a long quiz for Unit 4 for the first part of Unit 4 before having our midterm examination on the 9th day of our semester. And then after the midterm, we'll be having the distribution of test results, and probably I'll be giving you your midterm grade already for you to evaluate whether what to do, what to exert more for you to have a good grade and for you to have a good performance on the finals. And then on week 11, we'll be having a discussion of the Unit 4, Part 2 on day 1 and output making on the second day of the week. And then for the week 12, we'll be having a long quiz for Unit 4, Part 2. On the 13th week of the semester, we'll be discussing Unit 5 for day 1 and the submission of requirements and output making on the second day of the week. And then for week number 14, we'll be having a long quiz for Unit 5. And week number 15, discussion of Unit 6 for day 1 and submission of requirements and output making for day 2. And then on the 16th week, we'll be having a long quiz for Unit 6. And then week number 17 is the submission of all the requirements, clearing of the house, meaning you can ask questions, clarify things before taking the final examination on the 18th week. If you have any more questions with regards to our subject SEM 5, Mathematics of Investment, please feel free to send me a message through our group chats, SEM 5 BSE 2B. Once again, welcome to NUSD San Isidro Campus. Good luck and God bless. Always keep safe. Happy learning, future teachers. Thank you.